Alright, Bing, talk to the people. That's getting right up in the camera. That's Bing. You're attacking the flooring. Okay. Talking? Here. Go play in the tunnel. Let me rescue this one. Turns out the only thing harder than herding cats is trying to stream them at the same time. These are 4-week-old kittens that we rescued at the shop. This is Bing, Bitsy, they're a boy and a girl. And we have them in this room until they've been cleared to go hang out with the other cats, which is going to be about another 2 weeks. Bitsy's complaining. You guys just ate. You know. Okay. It's pretty much what they do. They eat, they poop, they pee, they sleep, and they play. And explore. Eventually they'll start fighting. Like the fighting pits of Marine. She's being bossy right now. They're like little Velcro. Their claws are really sharp, so they stick to about anything and everything. And if you put them in your hand, they will grab on, and you have to pry them off. Where are you going? No, you stay over here. Last thing I need you is to get lost and then Angie come home and yell at me. Thank you, Ursula. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna claw my leg. Thanks, guys. Yeah, I appreciate that. I'm sure your brother enjoys having your ass on the back of his head. Figured out the whole scratching thing yet? No? You talk to him, Bitsy? Bing. Why do you keep wanting to climb up? You're too short. Come here, buddy. There you go. There. Now fight. Bing wants to fight. Let him fight. Guys are hams. Oh, okay, you're kittens, but still. When they're in the back of their kennel, over here, in the mornings, all you can see are 4 big shiny eyes. They look like little aliens. Thank you. We actually have another rescue cat from the same family of cats that are around our shop. She's 4 years old. What you got on your side? Is that medicine? Yeah. But these guys are in quarantine until the vet has cleared them, which the vet won't see them again until they're about 2 weeks older. So they get to fight each other and explore this room. That's sharp. This morning she was beating him up, which is kind of funny since she's so tiny. She weighs in at a whopping 8.5 ounces. He's about 12.7. And he was getting his butt kicked. It was kind of neat. Oh, they have very sharp claws. I've forgotten how sharp they can be. I'm used to the other cats. And there goes the little mole. She likes to burrow. Where are you going? Let's go find out. Hopefully we're not making a tunnel for the other side. Yes, we are. Hi. You gonna go back? Yep, I'm gonna go back. Alright, now I'm trying to wear them down so that way they'll sleep tonight because I have a football game to go to and my wife has to get up early in the morning to go back to work. You know, I have to take them to work with me during the day, which makes it difficult to get things done. And normally they sleep pretty good at night, so it's not that big a deal. Hi, come on there, buddy. Oh, you're gonna start swatting at her now? Look after bed mice? Nope. Okay, nobody interested? Yep, it's just like the kid, our kid. I mean, she's not interested in anything either. What? I just fed you. Let's kick this one back into play. Oop. Let's see if we can find their. Thanks, there, Shan Scott. And if I have a hard time reading this, I apologize. I don't have my glasses on right now. Eventually, they'll wear themselves down and go back in the den. What you doing there, buddy? You eating the mouse? Get the mouse? Oh, in the box. She's trying to walk out some poop. He, on the other hand, is just wanting to destroy things. He's being the destroyer, devourer of worlds. But must be fed by a bottle and likes to sleep a lot. Well, my phone battery will probably end up dying before that. You gonna go back there and sleep, or are you back there to pee again? We're still working on this whole litter box thing. Ah, thanks. Normally I stream boring stuff like from my shop. Well, she's we'll give her some privacy. She's taking care of some personal business in there. Bing, on the other hand, is getting into the stage where he likes to play a lot. And let's see if he goes after. He's still perfecting his butt wiggle. Yeah, I'm talking about you. He's still perfecting the butt wiggle, trying to get that down so that he can pounce. Sometimes his swats just look like he's waving hello. They also like to burrow. He likes to burrow up under my leg. And Miss Bitsy over there, she likes to burrow and all sorts of things. You done? Yep. Okay. She's back into play. Oh, must feel much better, you're purring. I don't know if you guys can hear that. They like to have their head scratched like a right. With the hold still right now, they're just being they're a little energetic right now. Got them outside earlier. We got a large puppy doog, an 11-year-old lab mix who really actually does like cats. He's outside the door right now laying down because he wants to come in here and play with them. They're very well cared for. When my wife's off from work, she keeps them during the day, and when she has to go to work, I take them to the shop with me. They go in their kennel and they sit up on my desk. Yeah, and every 4 hours I have to stop whatever it is I'm doing. And then we feed. Oh, oh, nope. old Sesame Street thing. Let's see if Bruno's still out here. Oh, he left. Oh, there he is. They're in here playing. You gonna come? You gonna stay there? Alright, you stay there. Hey guys. You know, you sound like a pew pew gun when you mew. Mew mew. Oh, thank you. He's I got him 11 years ago. He's my buddy. We don't go for as many walks as we used to. He's getting old. And his hips kind of go out on him. But when it comes to kittens, oh my goodness, he loves these guys so much. He'll come up and sniff on them. And all he wants to do is just you gonna kill the box? So we got two other cats, and one of them, the 4-year-old cat, Bruno, was around when she was a kitten, or she was here as a kitten around Bruno, and that was his baby as far as he was concerned. And now, as far as he's concerned, he's got 2 more babies. Babies that eat towels. They also eat cat litter. Mainly because they haven't figured out exactly what it's for. Yes. Kill the box, yeah. Yes, she will kill the box. Right now she's, well, apparently she thinks my shirt's something to chew on as well. Meanwhile, he is going to kill the tunnel. And I probably should pull the tunnel back this way because he's about to go off the bed. Where are you going? Oh, you're peeing back there, aren't you? Okay, now we get to clean the tunnel. Are you peeing or sleeping? Hey. Hey. Bing. Here, she's ready. Here, you can watch your brother on the interwebs. Yeah, that's where cats go. They go on the internet. You didn't know that? Oh, you know that now. Bitsy talking to everybody. Yes. Yes, the tunnel takes a lot of abuse. It also gets cleaned a lot. So after the stream, I'll be cleaning the streams out. Okay, Bitsy, quit eating the phone. Yes. Is it time to weigh in? Let's weigh in. They are getting close to nap time. I'm trying to let them wear themselves out. Alright, Bitsy. Yes, she does have a pew-pew. Alright, Bitsy goes in the bowl. Oh, Bitsy's 0.158.20. She's also moving around a bit. Alright, girl, so she's holding steady. That's good. We were worried about her for a while. Alright, big boy. Where are we at? 12.50. Okay. 12.5. We're going to call you at 12.5, buddy. They've been putting on weight like crazy for the last, day and a half. I guess it's about time for them to slow down just a little bit. When they're ready to nap, they will actually crawl back into their den. They got snuggle buddies back there that you heat up. It's a whole bunch of ear. Yes, I see you. An example of my little Klingon here. Oh, let's see. It's about these guys. I'm not sure it's about these guys. There. I'm gonna let the big black doorbell in here. Thank you. Come on, Bubba. See, he has moved. He is now at the door. Alright, you can come see them, but you have to be calm. They're over here, Goofy. We also don't want them to be scared of him. As you can see, Bitsy is nowhere near scared. She'll run up to him. She's also a little bit cold. She has being smaller, she's having a harder time regulating her body temperature. Let me move my stuff out of the way, bub. Come here, bub. Come here. You can come see the babies. Let him hit your nose. Are you happy that they're okay? He doesn't care. Well, he does. It's just he's not going to show it. You getting tired? Both of you? Yeah, she's curling up to try to get warm, and he's just sitting still. So he's either making water or he's just getting tired. It's hard to tell because they both actions for him look the same. Gosh, I really hope they are. What are you doing? Yeah, you cleaning your bitch slappers? Chewing on your foot? You guys ready to go back in the den? Okay. Bitsy, you go and claim a spot. She'll go claim her spot. Which is apparently going to be right. You know you're going to get stepped on. He's gonna come in and he's gonna step right on you. All right, buddy. Why don't you go ahead and crawl back on in there too? I told you you were going to get stepped on, so you're going to come back out. That's inside the den. can see they still got their very blue eyes, which will change to green here shortly. Before too long. She is very stubborn. She is just like her cousin that we got. Fiercely independent. All right. Well, you guys come back in there. Get back. She'll see. All right, you guys are in jail. He wants to nap. She wants to play. She'll calm down here in a minute. I will attempt to try and show you how they feed, which is absolutely hilarious sometimes. His ears will actually twitch as he's feeding on the bottle. And right now he's going to bite her ass. He's biting on her butt and they're purring like mad. Alright folks, I'm going to let that... Whoa. He get you good? I know there's no catnip in there. Why are you guys getting excited again? Alright, I'm going to let them try and calm down. We'll feed them later. Bye guys. And again, that's Bruno. Yeah, we'll try to do a stream while I feed them. It's not the easiest thing in the world to do, but it'll probably be in a couple hours. Maybe a little bit less, I'm not sure yet. And I'll throw it up there on the schedule when I'm ready to. Or before I'm ready to. Because otherwise that'd be kind of dumb. Hey! Get her foot out of your mouth. Because you know she's just going to kill you in your sleep. You guys are welcome and appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time.